Stellar price today is $0.142403 with a 24-hour trading volume of $223.50 million, market cap of $3.89 billion, and market dominance of 0.32%. The XLM price increased 2.74% in the last 24 hours. Stellar reached its highest price on January 4, 2018 when it was trading at its all-time high of $0.930121. While Stellar's lowest price was recorded on November 18, 2014 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.001227. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.027660, cycle low. The highest XLM price since the last cycle low was $0.796465, cycle high. The Stellar price prediction sentiment is currently neutral, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 50, neutral. Stellar's current circulating supply is 27.31 BXLM out of max supply of 50.00 BXLM. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 8.22%, meaning 2.07 BXLM were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Stellar is currently ranked number 1 in the Stellar network sector and ranked number 14 in the Layer 1 sector. Stellar cryptocurrency is currently worth about 0.1484 per coin, and the price range for selling is between 0.1484 and 0.1547. Which is very important. Compared to the previous day's final price of 0.1536, this is a change of 0.0052, or 3.39%. The exchange rate between US dollars and Stellar XLM is also interesting. The value of a Stellar currency is expected to go up in the near future. On Thursday, August 10th, the dollar cost of a Stellar currency is expected to be 0.16, which is a significant maximum value. On Friday, August 11th, the Stellar gauge showed a value of 0.17, which was the highest value seen during the given time period. On the other hand, the lowest value seen during this time was 0.15. The value of 0.16 isn't as high as 0.14, which is a very large number. On Monday, August 7th, the Stellar price prediction was worth 0.15, which is a very high amount. 0.16 is definitely more than 0.14, which is a small but important difference. Stellar speculation on August 8th had a price of 0.15, which is probably the best price. The difference between 0.16 and 0.14 is especially big, which shows a big change. The goal of this inquiry is to find out the true value of US dollars to XLM Stellar lumens, which is different from what most people think. For example, on August 9th, the price of Stellar was predicted to be 0.15, which can be seen as a low estimate. In a situation that could be considered important, the value of 0.16 was the smallest, but the value of 0.14 was also least in a similar way. On Thursday, August 10th, the estimated cost of Stellar was 0.15, making it the highest value in almost every way. The value of 0.16 is the smallest, but the value of 0.14 is much bigger. It's important to note that this observation is only about money, specifically the expected costs on Friday, August 11th. The highest value recorded is 0.16, while the lowest is 0.15, which is a big difference. On Monday, August 14th, the estimated cost of Stellar was 0.16, with a maximum value of 0.17 and a minimum value of 0.15, which is a big difference. Stellar's price was expected to be anywhere from 0.15 to 0.14 on Tuesday, August 15th. This means that the trading range for today is between 0.1484 and 0.1547, which is a big jump over the past 14 days. On Wednesday, August 16th, the estimated cost of Stellar was between 0.14 and 0.16, with a high of 0.16 and a low of 0.14. On Thursday, August 17, the estimated cost of Stellar is expected to be between 0.14 and 0.16, with a high chance of being around $0.15. This predicted range is pretty big. On Friday, August 18, the price of Stellar was seen to be 0.14, which shows a big jump. The lease with a value of 0.15 looks good, but the lease with a value of 0.13 is very important. Stellar's price is expected to be between 0.14 and 0.16 on Monday, August 21, with a likely value of 0.15. On Tuesday, August 22, the price is expected to be between 0.16 and 0.18, with a likely value of 0.17. These numbers show that the price has gone up a lot in the last 3 weeks. Stellar's price was expected to be 0.17 on August 23. This was the highest value based on fundamental research. The price of 0.18 is in fact much higher than the price of 0.16, which is a very big difference. On Thursday, August 24, the Stellar gauge price reached 0.17. which may be called an extreme value. The figure of 0.18 was thought to be the lowest, and 0.16 or so was thought to be a good estimate. Stellar was supposed to cost 17 cents on Friday, August 25. The most it could cost was 18 cents, and the least it could cost was 16 cents. As was shown in a big way on Monday, August 28, the estimated cost of Stellar hit a high point of 0.16, which is a big jump. A number of 0.17 has a big effect, especially when it's higher than 0.15, which is the minimum threshold. Stellar was expected to be worth 14 cents on Tuesday, August 29. It could be worth as much as 15 cents or as little as 13 cents. This big change is expected to happen in about a month. The estimated cost of Stellar on Wednesday, August 100, was 0.16, with a maximum of 0.17 and a minimum of 0.15. The estimated cost of Stellar on Thursday, August 101, was also 0.16, with a maximum of 0.17 and a minimum of 0.15. The estimated cost of Stellar on Friday, September 1, reached an extremely high maximum of 0.16. The value of 0.17, especially when compared to a minimum threshold of 0.15, is notably modest and unassuming.